According to the Center for Disease Control, nearly one half, 49.1%, of adults tried to lose weight within the last 12 months. A lower percentage of older adults aged 60 and over, 42.7%, tried to lose weight than younger adults aged 20 to 39, 49.7%, and middle-aged adults aged 40 to 59, 52.4%. As you can see, weight loss is a common goal for half the US population, but lack of motivation, lack of consistency, information overload, and ineffective methods often get in their way. Hey everyone! Welcome back to Shackles Off TV. If you're looking to shed those extra pounds and feel your best, you're in the right place. Today, we are sharing our top 10 tips and tricks to help you lose 10 pounds of fat effectively and sustainably. So, let's dive right in. Tip number 1, set realistic goals. Instead of aiming for drastic weight loss, focus on losing 1 to 2 pounds a week. This is healthier and more sustainable. Tip 2, stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water can help control your appetite and boost your metabolism. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day. Tip 3, eat more protein. Incorporating lean proteins like chicken, fish, and legumes can help you feel fuller for longer and support muscle growth. Tip 4, cut back on sugar. Reducing your sugar intake can significantly lower your calorie consumption and help you lose fat more effectively. Tip 5, incorporate strength training. Lifting weights not only helps build muscle, but also boosts your metabolism, making it easier to burn fat. Tip 6, get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can disrupt hormones that regulate hunger, leading to weight gain. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Tip 7, keep a food journal. Tracking what you eat can help you identify patterns and make healthier choices. Tip 8, stay active throughout the day. Simple changes like taking the stairs or going for a walk can add up and help you burn more calories. Tip 9, find a support system. Surrounding yourself with friends or family who share your goals can keep you motivated and accountable. Consider joining a fitness group or online community. And finally, tip 10, be patient and consistent. Remember, weight loss is a journey, not a sprint. Celebrate your small victories along the way and stay committed to your goals. So there you have it. Our top 10 tips and tricks to help you lose 10 pounds of fat. Remember, it's all about making sustainable changes that fit your lifestyle. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and share your own tips in the comments below. What's your favorite way to stay healthy? We would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy and motivated.